How to change lock screen password on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you change lock screen password on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, as you have to open settings on your iPhone. After you open settings, you will get this kind of interface. From here, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option Face ID and Passcode. From the section, enter your recent passcode. After you confirm it, from here, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option Change Passcode. From the section Verify with your Face ID, after you verify with your Face ID, to change the locker screen password, you'll have to just start a security delay. For that, tap on the option Start Security Delay at the bottom. This delay will be last for 1 hour. After the 1 hour will be complete and you will still be able to use your phone during this delay, you can simply change the locker screen password on your iPhone. Simply from there you can confirm a new passcode for your iPhone lock screen. After you confirm that, the new lock screen passcode will be set automatic on your iPhone. In order to change that, you'll have to again start a security delay. And that's it. This is the method to change lock screen passcode on iPhone. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more iPhone tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.